guys, welcome back to Crochet by Night. Tonight I want to show you my yarn haul. I have a few things that came in that I'm really excited about. Let's start with my work in progress though. I've been working for some time on this, which is made with Unforgettable. It's my pattern and I needed some more yarn to finish it out. And so as I was, I mentioned that, and I got an email from Ann Cantrell who said Herrschners is having an Unforgettable yarn sale, $1.88 a skein. So I hopped on and I got Tequila Sunrise. I'm sorry, not tequila. Wishful thinking maybe. Sunrise, which is what I needed to finish up my work in progress. So I got 8 of those. I still had a few, so I am going to be able to finish this project, plus probably do a cardigan. I'm thinking about doing a cardigan out of it. I got some of these as well, the Red Heart Soft, which goes really well with it. I think I'm going to use it and make a cardigan. But first, I have to finish this work in progress. What do y'all think about that? I love the colors, and it's been fun to make. I don't have much more to go before the pattern's ready to give out. So I'm going to do a tutorial. But so Herrschners, like I said, Ann had told me they were having a sale, and I just couldn't believe they were only $1.88 because I've been paying. Let me see what's on them. Does it say? I've been paying the full price, which I think is $4.99 or $5.99 to get them, and it's hard to get them in my area. So that was phenomenal. So thank you for that. Thank you to Herrschners for putting those on sale. Tried to get some other colors. Most of them were sold out or on back order. Tried to do some back order and got an email today saying that they had been discontinued, so there would be none available. So I wish I had gotten more when I could. Now, to the other things. Michelle Langdon had looked online and helped me get some links so that I could get some Downton Abbey yarn, and they've come in. So I'm going to open them up, each one, so that we can see what they are. Okay, this first one is from a Kate Nelson in Ohio. I believe it came in through eBay. I think that's one I purchased on eBay. So let's open it up and see what it is. Always got to smell it. Sometimes they have funny smells, but this one does not. It's a Downton Abbey yarn collection, Lady Mary, 290 yards, and it is this beautiful purple with that beautiful glitzy shine to it. Love it. So I've got one of those. And this next one came from El Paso, Texas. See what's in it. For those of you who don't know, I was watching Rose Likes Crochet the other day, and you'll see a video I've got on my site, on my channel, that says another crafter blew my mind. Well, she blew my mind because she pulled up some Downton Abbey yarn, and I did not know it even existed because I stopped crocheting for a little while and stopped paying attention to yarn. And it came out and had its cycle and was discontinued all during that time. So when she showed that, I was just totally in shock. So let's see what's in here. This is, we've got 3 of these. It is also Lady Mary. And I can't tell, it looks like it's the color. Where's my color? I don't really want to open them. I guess I will. So I can put out. It's also got the glitter through it. And does it tell me a color? Slow down, let's see. Yep, color is Ice Crystal. What do you think of that one? Ice Crystal next to that one. I love them. And then I love, love, love the Downton Abbey labeled. That is awesome. So I've got 3 of those. So my day's been pretty good between my Herrschners haul and Downton Abbey. What a better way to come home. It couldn't be a better way to come home and see the mail and to see all these packages. Oh, let's see. This one is, and there are 3 of these, and that one looks like it's been open. I'm not happy about that. They're all from Premier Yarn, and it's the Matthew collection. And it is the color Birch White. And it's got some little flecks of color in there. The Matthew collection. See all the things I missed? So glad to be back. And whoops, I just lost my scissors. There they are. My final one for the night. Let's see. What is in this one? This one came with a note. It says Premier Yarns Lady Mary from the Downton Abbey collection. And it's wrapped up pretty nice. Let's see. And it is the color Crimson Night. Ooh, look at that, Crimson Night. So it's a red with the sparkly. I got a purple with a sparkly. And I got some black with a sparkly. And then I got some Matthew. So now I need to find what other colors are out there. So you guys keep watch, because I know Lady Sybil, they had a Lady Sybil line. And so I want to get some of those, and got to do something fun and exciting with them once I get the whole group. But anyway, that was Michelle Langdon that helped me get those. It was Ann Cantrell that told me about the $1.88 sale on the Unforgettable from Herrschners. And if you have any yarn tips, any yarn haul tips, just give me a shout in the comments below, or send me an email to crochetbynightdesigns@gmail.com. As always, have a good night.